The South Korean company confirmed that the Galaxy S25 Ultra, expected to launch in January 2025, will feature top-tier upgrades and industry-leading specifications. In an unusual move, Samsung has disclosed details about its upcoming flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S25. During the second quarter earnings call, Samsung MX Vice President Daniel Araujo specifically mentioned the Galaxy S25 and confirmed it will feature top-of-the-line camera and display upgrades. According to the latest data from the China Compulsory Certification (CCC) database via 91 Mobiles, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a battery capacity of 4,885 mAh, similar to that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This suggests that the Galaxy S25 Ultra's battery will likely be advertised as 5,000 mAh. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could see a significant camera upgrade, potentially featuring a 200-megapixel primary rear camera, along with a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is generating excitement in the smartphone market, and it is reportedly set to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This chip is anticipated to feature Qualcomm's custom CPU cores called Orion, which promise a substantial performance boost. A recent leak has provided insight into the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 specifications, giving us a clearer picture of the performance we can expect from the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 might have two variants, SM8750 Standard and SM8750P Performance, with the latter expected in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a slide from SmartPrix, the chip features a 3nm process and octa-core CPU with 4 GHz high-performance cores and 2.8 GHz efficiency cores. It's reported to deliver 35% faster single-core and 30% faster multi-core performance. The Galaxy S25 Ultra introduces a new design language with more rounded corners and softer edges, along with software optimized to complement the design. This redesign also enhances the screen size and reduces bezels. According to the reliable tipster Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a narrower body at 77.6 mm wide, despite having a larger 6.86-inch screen. In comparison, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 79 mm wide body with a 6.79-inch screen, meaning Samsung will offer a larger display within a slimmer body, providing a win-win for consumers. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.